In this video, you'll learn how to create a job portal and CV website with the careerfy theme. This process involves several steps that will guide you through setting up your website effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. You could do this by entering the URL to your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites at the top of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to the Sites Management area. Next, locate and select the button that says Create with AI. This option is typically prominent on the page. Once you click this, the system will initiate the artificial intelligence site builder, which will assist you in creating your site. After that, you will see a prompt that states laying the foundations. This indicates that the AI is preparing to help you set up your website's basic structure. Please wait as the system processes your request. Once the AI is finished loading, a message will appear suggesting to make your website as unique as you. This step emphasizes personalizing your site to reflect your vision. You should proceed to type in create a job portal and CV website with WordPress using careerfy theme into the designated field. Following this, click on the Enter button to submit your input. This action confirms your site's name and moves you to the next stage of the setup process. You should see a confirmation message indicating that WordPress.com can create your desired site. Now, type in the instruction, choose the choice given above in the next prompt. After typing, click Enter again to proceed. This action will guide you to the next configuration step. You will then be prompted to provide a site title, which will be displayed in the Browser tab. Type in a suitable name for your job portal and CV website. After entering the name, hit Enter to confirm your selection. Next, you will need to input a tagline or description that summarizes what your site offers. This is important for search engine optimization and user engagement. After typing your tagline, click Enter to save this information. Continue by clicking on Create My Site. This action will finalize the creation process. A message will appear stating, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that your site is being set up and may take a moment to process. During this time, you may see a loading indicator. Please be patient, as this could take a while, depending on your internet speed and server response. It is important to remain on this page until the process completes. Once the site generation is complete, you will receive a confirmation that your job portal and CV website has been successfully created. At this point, you can begin customizing your site further to suit your needs and preferences. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.